Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which compiler software is being used for a particular Windows software. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have some Windows software, so you can see here. So let's check if by going to the properties we can get the information about the compiler software being used for this respective Windows software. So let us go to the properties and let us check if we can get a compiler. So we don't see any information regarding which compiler software is being used for this particular Windows software. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as MyTech.exe Explorer, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see on the right side download option, just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now here you will see two files. The first file is the 32-bit version and the second file is the 64-bit version. So if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then you can use the first one, and if you're using a 64-bit, then you can use both the 32-bit as well as the 64-bit file. So let me click on this. Now it will auto detect all the running softwares. So you can click on cancel also, or you can select the particular applications also right now. So let me click on cancel and let me click on this file and let us try to open. And let me go to the desktop and say I want to check for this software. So firstly we'll check, and later on also we'll check this one. So just select the exe file and click on open. So now you can see here compiler, right? So the compiler software that is being used for this respective Windows software is, you can see here, the name is already given here. So you can see here. So let us check for the other Windows software. Just once again click on this file, click on this open, and let us select the exe file. So let me select this BLC, let me click on open. Now you can see here the compiler software for this respective Windows software name, as you can see here. So the compiler software name may be different for different Windows software, or you might find some similar or most commonly used compiler softwares also for the respective Windows computers. So by using this application named as MyTech.exe Explorer, you can easily find out which compiler software is being used for the particular Windows software very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.